Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine and safe at your homes, right? So students, today we are going to complete the last recall part of this chapter number 12, air, water and weather, and also we will complete the worksheet, right? So let's start with the last recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. So students, we have to complete these diagrams that were given. So the first one is water cycle. So we have to complete this diagram, that how the water cycle works, right? So first one, water gets heated by the sun and goes up as water vapor. So the first step of the water cycle is water get heated by the sun and goes up as water vapor, right? मीन्स जो वाटर जो होता है वाटर बॉडीज का वो सन के हीट की वजह से हीट होके एज अ वाटर वेपोर्स एयर में कनेक्ट होता है, राइट? नाउ सेकंड स्टेप ऑफ दिस साइकिल इज वाटर वेपोर फॉर्म्स अ क्लाउड इन स्काई. So the water vapor forms a cloud in sky, right? Then the third one is water drops comes down from cloud as rain. All the tiny drops comes around and make a cloud, right? But जब वो cloud बहुत ही ज़्यादा heavy हो जाता है and it does not contain the water, then the water drops fall down as a rain, right? And the last one is what rain water fills the water bodies. जो रेन वाटर होता है वो सारी वाटर बॉडीज को फिर से फिल कर देता है और ये जो साइकिल है वो कंटिन्यूस चलती रहती है. दैट इज water get heated by the sun and goes up as water vapor. Then water vapor forms a cloud in the sky. Then after water drops come down from clouds as rain and rainwater fills the water bodies, right? Then after seasons. So there are 5 main seasons in India and they are summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and spring, right? And then weather. So there are sunny day, windy day and cloudy day, right? Then after let's observe. In the picture given here, drawn arrows to show the water cycle label the two processes that are causing water to change its form. So students, here we are given the picture, right? So यहाँ पे हमें एरोज करने हैं और एरोज करके वाटर साइकिल को हमें डिफाइन करना है और साथ ही हमें 2 प्रोसेस यहाँ पे दी गई है, राइट? वो प्रोसेस को हमें लेबल करना है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज द वाटर बॉडीज, राइट? सो द वाटर ऑफ द वाटर बॉडीज गेट हीटेड बाय द हीट ऑफ द sun, right? Now this process is called evaporation. When water get heated by the sun, right, and the water changes into water vapor. Now this process is called evaporation, right? Then after, when the water vapor goes into the air and then after cool down, then it changes into tiny water drops. Now the water vapor changes into the tiny water drops. Now this process is called, yes, it's called condensation, right? When the water heated by the sun and water change into water vapor. Now this process is called evaporation. Then after water vapor goes into the air and cool down, then after it changes into tiny water drops. That water vapor changes into tiny water drops. Now this process is called condensation, right? And this tiny water drops comes together and form a cloud, right? When the cloud goes very heavy, right, then the water falls down as a rain and this rain water fills the water bodies. Now this cycle continues, right? So यहाँ पे हमें एरोज करने हैं that water bodies get heated by the sun, right? This process is called evaporation. Then this arrow, that evaporation changes into the tiny water drops. This process is called condensation. Then after it forms a cloud and then, yes, the rain comes fall down and fill all the water bodies. Okay, so we have to shown the arrow, draw the arrow, and also write down the process. Okay. Now we are going to start the worksheet. Right, chapter number 12, air, water and weather. Day 1, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Look at the question number 1. We can feel air when it dash move or is visible. We can feel air when it move. Yes, we can feel the air when it moves. Second one, we breathe in dash. We breathe in oxygen or water. Yes, we breathe in oxygen. Question number 3, moving air is called what? Cloud or wind? Moving air is called what? Yes, it's called wind. Moving air is called wind. Then question number 2, true or false? Then question number 1, air is all around us. Air is all around us. Is it true or false? Is it true? Air is all around us. Then second question, air contains dust particles. Air contains dust particles. Yes. So this statement is true. Question number 3, air contains water. Is it true? Air contains water? No. This statement is false because air does not contain water. Then question number 3, who am I? First question, moving air blowing very slowly. Moving air blowing very slowly. Now is called? Yes, breeze. Then second question, strong moving along with the rain or snow. Strong moving along with air or snow. It is called strong. Right. Third question, I from the water outside the cool glass. I from the water outside of the cool glass. एक जो cool glass होता है उसके बाहर उसके outer surface पे होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, water droplets. Then question number 2, day 2. Oxygen is needed by animal to dash. Oxygen is needed by animal to what? A, breathe. B, eat. C, drink. Or D, none of this. So the answer is A, breathe. Oxygen is needed by the animal to breathe. Then question number 2. Dash is a factor that affect the weather of a place. Dash is a factor that affect the weather of a place. A, sun. B, clouds. D, C, air. और D, all of this. इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो वेदर को अफेक्ट करता है? So the answer is D, all of this, because sun, clouds and air, this all the factor affect the weather of a place. Then question number 3. Days are hot and sunny in which season? A, monsoon. B, winter. C, summer. And D, autumn. Days are hot and sunny in which season? Yes, in summer season. Then question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is required for burning. Dash is required for, okay, so यहाँ पे correction है, not burning, it's breathing. So correct it. Dash is required for breathing. Oxygen or carbon dioxide? So the answer is oxygen. Oxygen is required for breathing. Right. Now question number 2. Water is present in the air in the form of dash. Water is present in the air in the form of dash. Ice or water vapor? Yes. So the answer is water vapor. Then third one, the sky is covered with clouds are called dash days. Cloudy or windy? The sky is covered with clouds are called which days? Cloudy or windy? So the answer is cloudy. The sky is covered with the clouds are called cloudy days. Right? Then question number 3, true or false? First one, evaporation is the process in which water turns into ice. Evaporation means एक ऐसी process जहाँ पे water change होता है, turn होता है into ice. So this statement is false, because the evaporation is the process when water get heated, right, and water change into water vapor. Now this process is called evaporation, not this one. So this statement is false. Second question, weather is the same in all part of the world. Weather is the same in all part of the world. जो पूरा वर्ल्ड है, राइट, उन सभी जगह पे वेदर सेम ही होता है. इज इट ट्रू? नो, false. Weather keep changing, right? Weather is not the same in the all part of the world. Then third question, monsoon is the hottest season. This statement is also false, because summer is the hottest season of the year, not monsoon. Monsoon brings rain, right? Fourth one, a gentle wind is called storm. This also false, because a gentle wind is called breeze, not storm. Then fifth one, water vapor rises up into the air and cool. Water vapor rises up into the air and cool. Yes, so this statement is true, because जो water vapor होता है वो air में ऊपर जाता है और जाने के बाद वो cool down होता है. So this statement is true, right? So students, that is it for the day, and your homework for a day is you have to complete the last recall part in the textbook, and also you have to complete all the questions in the worksheets. Okay, thank you.